A big hello and a happy welcome to Oceanland Aquarium. Here below the ocean surface, spectators gather to watch the passing show. Strange fish, rare and beautiful, glide by in an everlasting parade of color. Here we see a hammerhead shark. This is a Louisiana catfish. Meow! And the dogfish. This little fellow is a pufferfish. Watch him puff up. An amazing show of control. Uh-oh, this is drama of the deep folks, the greedy cannibal fish. Too bad, but it's survival of the fittest. What's this? The pufferfish is using his extraordinary power to save his life. Good show, Puffer. When two swordfish meet, it usually means a duel. Feeding time at the porpoise tank is always a big event and the most popular attraction for the tourists. On his platform high above the tank, Attendant Smedley is about to feed the porpoise. Now watch how daintily the porpoise takes the fish. I'll have to slow this boy up. Come and get it. Hey, you. No fishing allowed in the aquarium. Focus your eyeballs on that sign, Sonny. Check all fishing tackle at desk. Now get lost. Come and get it. I'd have swore that was a penguin. Come and get it again. That does it. I double dare you to try that once more. That boy don't know it, but he's messing around with an old ball player. Next time, I'll just bat him over left field fence. Mighty good fastball that boy's got. I'll land him with my rod and reel. I'll use a little strategy. Come and get it. Doggone! Dirty little rattle, kind of from free. Dark in here. Turn on the lights. That's better. I'm mad, and I'm gonna do me a little snipe shooting. Reach, boy. Pesky sharks. Only one thing to do. Drain the tank. Just a cotton-picking minute, you mackerel moocher. Okay, Fido, where's your dog license? Dog license? Heck, I ain't no dog.
You are, too, a dog.
I got a job. I can talk.
Oh, yeah?
And sometimes I forget. I am a dog.
Well, folks, I hope you enjoyed our show. Join us again on our next program for a half hour of fun with your old pal, Woody Woodpecker.
See you on our next show. Bye now.